Hey everybody, 1223 here with another Lantern update, but this time it's not a Dietz. At least it's confirmed that it's not a Dietz. Because of the Jupiter, we have no idea. But this I got yesterday, very quickly, because this lamp got bought 3-4 days ago, and another one we bought it like 6 days ago, almost a week ago or something like that, and we're still waiting for it to get here. Hoping that it get here today. That we're waiting on the Dietz Little Giant, but this is a Keystone ware boat signal lamp. As if you can see right here on this portion, it says boat signal lamp. You can see signal, but boat and lamp or lantern right next to it. But it is a early 20th century, late 19th century, 1800s, 1900s boat lamp. But we had it lit. My dad actually lit this yesterday without me even asking, because I asked him lately to light some of the lamps, and he lit this thing, and we had it burning for quite some time. But it's a dead flame. It might be a cold blast lamp, and I'll get to why. But this is all original black paint. It's got a belt clip. It's got a belt clip right here. A bunch of little handles. The logo for the company, Keystone Ware, is right here. You can't really see, but it says Keystone Ware, and it's got the Keystone symbol. You can clearly see that the paint is coming off the top. That's only due to heat. There was a couple little bits that did flake off yesterday, because this thing, we had to burn for a couple hours, because apparently the fount is real small in it, because we couldn't get it out yesterday, but the fount was real small, and we had to burn off quite a bit of that oil, because my dad topped it right off, and we had no idea. So but it's an interesting lamp. This knob down here, we'll get to what this knob does. If you might have saw in the video, though, you might. But when you open this, you notice that you can tell where the thing is, but there's a little trap door here. Well, that's where the knob comes into. You pull this knob back, it's a spring-loaded knob, and then the shutter opens, and a mercury reflector is also on the back side that's in there. The knob does not stay. We thought it does, but it doesn't, which makes us think that this lamp might have possibly been used for like Morse code or something back in the day. But as you can see, it's still very saturated with oil. The wick is. But it originally came with a 1/2-inch wick, but the wick for some reason just was not fitting, so we took a chunk of wick off of my Dietz 100 and put that in there. And which is a 3/8-inch wick, and the wick works no problem. So, but it takes a burner similar to the Dietz convex burner too. I mean, it just screws right off. Now, when this thing was burning, every time you flip this back, this light would come on, or the light here would come on. This is a magnifying lens, and that hallway downstairs in the previous video was about 10 to 15 feet long, maybe 20 feet long. Most likely 15. But it lit up that whole hallway. You just might not have been able to tell in the video. Now, I'll get to why I might possibly think this is a cold blast lamp, but it looks pretty relevant to be a dead flame. The reason why I think it's a cold blast is because on the bottom here, it's got holes, and these holes are actually open because how that fount pops out, and then you got this chimney. Well, the cold air, I think, if it was clipped onto something, would come up through those holes and then out through the chimney. But I'm not quite sure, because we have not been able to remove that fount. But it's just a very cool lamp, but it's made by a Keystone. And my dad got this for under 50 bucks. And a lot of the lamps I've seen that sell in this condition, I haven't seen any of them that don't have the paint flaking off. But I have seen a couple models that are just all bare metal and brass. but they sell usually well over $100 to $150 plus. So it's either a rare lamp, it's either hard to find, rare, or it's just desirable. So it's just a unique thing. It's about twice the size of the Dietz police lamp. That's awfully similar. In fact, it's nearly identical. It's just that's about half the height, maybe 3/4 of the height. Dad's working on possibly getting something worked out on one of those on eBay, but I mean, I don't know, but it's just a cool looking lamp, though. I'll give them credit for how they did. But just a little lamp update. Maybe I'll see if I can burn off some more of the oil, but I'm not going to do it in this video. And I probably won't be able to do it for too long because, well, I don't know when the big man's coming home. And he probably wouldn't want me to burn when he's not here, so don't tell. Maybe I shouldn't have said that in case he finds a way in my videos. Whoops. Well, wish him best of luck not to get caught. 12:23 out.